Very good morning. Welcome back, my dears. In this module, in this revision session, in today's class, we'll learn two more poetry. Very important poetry. Rain on the roof. Okay. Number one, rain on the roof means the poet skinny. Okay. So rain on the roof shows poet's past memory. Okay. When poet thinks about past, so he sometimes he becomes sad, sometimes he become happy. So rain on the roof. When it rains on his hut, on his cottage, and he was sleeping, he was trying to sleep in his cottage on a bed of chamber, so he couldn't sleep because the rain on the roof, because the rain pattering of rain shower, pattering of rain, okay, on every shingle, okay. He reminds his past memory, okay, in his mind thousand of past memory hovering. Okay, we'll see this poem. So when the humid shower hover, when the humid shadow hover, humid means when the dark humid, here shadow means parchai, but here parchai means humid shadow means cloud. Okay, we are talking about cloud. When clouds are there, when clouds come to upon his cottage, okay, so when the humid shadow hover, when the clouds are started hovering on him, on his hut, over all the starry spheres, okay, so everywhere there is a darkness of rainy cloud, okay, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. So when it rains, so it rains in the form of poet tears, okay, because poet reminds his past memory, okay, and past dreams, okay, he reminds his dreams, okay, in his memory when it rains, so it rains in form of poet's tear, okay. What a bliss to praise the pillow. So he was trying to sleep on his bed in a chamber, okay, in a cottage. So he was trying to press his pillow, he kept pillow on his head and trying to press it, okay, but he could hear the rain pattering easily, okay, of a cottage chamber bed. He was lying on cottage chamber bed, and the listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. So he was trying to listen to voice of rain, because voice of rain memorizing his past memory, his thousand fancy dreams hovering in his mind after listening soft rain voice, okay. Then every tinkle on a shingle, okay, when the raindrops just falls on a shingle means on pebbles, so it produces echo in poet's heart. When the raindrop fall on every shingle means on every pebbles, so the echo, the sound means the echo produces, okay, feeling in his heart of his childhood days, of his past years, of his childhood memories, thousand of fancy memories, and a thousand dream fancy into busy being start in his mind. All the thousand of memory, all memories starts hovering, okay, and a thousand recollections means he lost in his childhood days, okay, and they all are collected, okay, and weep their air thread into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof, okay. So what happened then about the recollection of thoughts started or knitting shape, knitting like जैसे कि मकड़ी का जाला, okay, so these all started making a web, okay, so they are making a web, okay, all the collections, all the thousand of fancy dreams and thoughts of his past or childhood years, okay, making a web, okay. When he listened the soft voice of rain on falling every single pebble, and it produces sound echo in his heart, okay. Now in memory comes my mother. Now in his memory his mother came, okay, to whom he loved very much. He was very dear to his mother, and his mother was very dear to him. So when he went to bed, okay, it means he's talking about his past days. When he had to sleep, okay, that time his mother was there, his mother trying to sleep him, okay, and then when he woke up, so that time also his mother was there, okay, so she is doing his household work, but as well as along she was keeping care for his child also. So in his memory, his mother came as she used in years ago. Means she is past right now, and he is missing her mother right now. Okay, when the soft rain patter on his cottage. To regard the darling dreamer ere she left them till the dawn. Okay, so he was very darling to his mother when he went to sleep. So that time his mother was there. Okay, and when he woke up, so his mother also was there. Okay, how she care for him. Okay, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to the that refrain. Okay, so here now he could easily listen his mother's song in the voice of rain. Okay, he could realize his mother sweet song. Okay, when he had to sleep, so in form of rain he can hear that song. Okay, which is played upon the shingle by the patter on the roof. So whenever it rains, okay, on his cottage, so he was trying to sleep, but he kept cushion on his head and thousand of fancy memories, okay, hovering in his mind after listening the voice of rain, after listening the soft voice of rain pattering on every shingles, producing echo in his heart. So this lesson was composed by Coed Skinny. Coed Skinny memorizing, remembering his childhood memories in form of rain. So whenever it rains, he could hear, he could feel, he could realize his thousand fancy dreams of his childhood days. Okay, so it was about the poem Rain on the Roof. Okay, then we'll see next poem. We have next poem, Legend of Northland. A Legend of Northland is also a great poem. So we'll see this poem in next video. Okay, thank you.